Hi students, welcome to VIT CHEM YouTube channel. So in this video I will be going to explain about the VIT EEE 2021, okay, and right from the fees, category and counseling dates, whether you should go for or not, and what are the branches, what is the best course, everything I will be covering. So I will expect all of you to start this video with a like and share this channel to all of your friends, and if you're not yet subscribed, just subscribe. And let's go for the topics. Whatever I'm going to tell you, this is the so much of research I have done. At the end of this I will be asking you some questions which you will be writing to me in the comment section, so that I will be making according to your requirements in the future videos regarding the not only VIEEE, it also for the IIIT Hyderabad. Already I made a video, so at the end of the session you can go through it. Okay, so whether you are interested about this college or not, you will be deciding after completely going through this video. And if you wanted to know the campus life, if you wanted to know the campus life of the VIT, then you can ask me. Then according to your requirement, according to the number of comments, yes, we require about the campus life, what are the rules and regulations, what is the lifestyle, what are the things permitted in the VIT, everything I am going to tell you with authentic news. So I think you, if you are interested, write to me in the comment section, and just let's start with the video. So VIEEE already have everybody, those who are qualified are aware that June 14th and 5,900, and how to pay. This is a non-refundable counseling fee, and it is not just a small amount. It is around 6,000, and this is to be paid online only. And 14th June counseling fee start date, and there is it. They are going to conduct the counseling in total 5 session, and above 1 lakh the rank also they are going to conduct. Normally VIT takes many in every year, nearly 1 lakh students are taking the examination, and this time this is going to be the this already conducted on the online proctored mode. And many of the students are not aware about the what about the future, so number of students attended this exam is considerably more, and the VIT is taking advantage. Many of the students are thinking to join or not, wait for the JEE Mains third and fourth phase, or they are happy with the performance. That is what in this video I am going to take care. So I will be telling you about the total 5 counseling. Okay, so phase 1 counseling, it is going to be conducted in the total five phases. So those who are got the below 20,000 rank, they will be going for the phase 1 counseling, and dates are displayed here. Last date to pay counseling fees will be, it will be started from the 14th June only for the phase 1 students, that is below 20,000 rank, 20 June. And they can fill the choice. They got the total 3 branches, and out of the 3 branches, I think everybody is aware, Chennai branch, and most prominent in the VIT, it is the private college which is number one private college in the terms of the innovation, and it is well known for the computer science branch. If you are aiming for the VIT to join, and your choice filling, what should be the procedure, everything I will be explaining. That is also, if you want, you can let me know. Seat allotment will be done on the 24th, and advance fee payment you have to make. How much is the fee payment? There are two categories, A and B. There are further scholarships also there, so that also I am going to tell you. So the advance fee payment 24th June to 29th, and final pay balance is 13th July. So second for counseling for the 20 to 45,000, 29th July is the last day to pay, and 30th July is the choice filling. 3rd July is the seat allotment. Advance fee payment will be 3rd July, and last day to pay the balance fees 21. And next 45,000 to 70,000, third phase, 7th July is the starting, and 8th July choice filling, 11th to and 14th July is advance payment, and 28th is the 20th July is the payment balance. If you are above 70,000 to 1 lakh, and all dates are displayed here, instead of wasting for your time, you can go through it or take a screenshot of it. This is the fourth counseling dates and ranks. and this is the for the fifth counseling, and that is almost all. By the time almost all fees will be, all seats will be filled if they are worthy enough. Now coming to the good rank or bad rank, okay, so that also I'm going to tell you. So now, first, there are two types of groups, Group A and Group B. For first year only, if you are in the scholarship category of one and first A, Group A, then your fees will be for the first year per annum fees 1,76,000, and you are in the scholarship category of 5, then you have to pay around double to it, that more than double, that is around 4 lakhs. And in the first year Group B, you have to pay around 5 lakhs. So this is the fee criteria. You are in which group you can understand, and you are in the scholarship category of which one you can also understand. This is going to be the fee structure. Take a screenshot. If you are not aware about this, then we are going for the good rank. So I will be explaining you good rank in terms of the category and in terms of the rank in terms of the marks. So can be defined only on the basis. I think normally they are taking appearing 1 lakh. So here on an average I am taking as a 1 lakh, and the good rank as per your requirement, if you wanted to be seat in any place of the three branches, 5,000 will be the good rank, because candidates securing rank under 5,000 have chances of good popular admission in the CSC, what I told you in the initial case. And if your score, if you wanted to know the rank in terms of the score, if you are scored very good when your score is above 65, if your score is above 50, sorry, above 65, if your score is above 55 but below 65, it will be good score. 45 to 50 average, and if below 30 it will be low score. Next, very good rank is less than. That means you will be definitely getting the computer science, but any of the one of the branches. So very good rank is less than 1,000. Good rank is 5,000 to 10,000. Average rank is 10,000 to 40,000. Do you want me to explain about the campus life? Just let me know. And low rank is above 70. I think you need not to go. So whether you are going for the admission into the VIT or not, that completely depends upon your performance in the JEE Mains 1 and JEE Mains 2, and your current preparation for the JEE Mains 3 and 4 phases. If you want any type of help from the VIJ CHEM YouTube channel, kindly join my Telegram group. Then I will be guiding you for the forthcoming all type of examination, and don't forget to watch the IIIT Hyderabad video. See you, and write your comment in the comment section whether you want the campus life of the VIT or not. Let's all the best and take a nice decision. See you, bye bye in the next video.